With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We use a suction cup to lift the back cover. We introduce a metal opening tool. Use a ultra-thin plastic card to soften the adhesive. We remove the back cover. We release the screws from the top of the device. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. Very carefully, we are going to remove the middle frame. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Now we lose the connector of the fingerprint sensor scanner Touch ID. We remove 2 screws. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.